Yeah, they don't know.
I got that part. You got that part. They don't know.
Yeah.
That's the part.
I beg you for that. Just follow me and don't say now. Bobos Yarn is on top Wazobia TV.
Yep.
The show where they carry the sun and every exception thing to concern Bobos and babies them and to make your night very splurfy. Yes, I beg. This today on it is very, very sweet for us here for this bar because we catch one big show man, leave me.
When you want to say something, no, they generalize them. It is sweet for you, not for us. Go ahead. That's what I'm just trying to do. Same
For
to
destructing my introduction.
Same to you. Introduce.
Chai. Oh.
Introduce now.
You know how many bridges I climb come Lagos?
For this girl.
You know how many bridges I climb come
for
Lagos?
This girl, man.
Yes.
Oh yeah, introduce her.
Please, my country people. I have a big fish in this bar with me today.
In Igbo.
Yes. I will know asanwa. Omi asanwa no here. Owu tomato juice. Owu erieri. Owu korominto. Owu kakamunyo. Owu jiakon.
Let me introduce in Hausa.
Thank you.
Abunde ache wei akwe wata yarinya. Zamu shigari jia.
Yawa.
Kagane ko?
Yawa.
Wannan yarinya sunanta me?
Hey.
Toka ne.
Chai. Please, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome with us in this battle.
Welcome.
The one.
Only.
And only.
One.
Sexy.
Hey.
Otepu.
Hey.
Delectable.
Hey.
Yvonne.
Hey.
Jegede. Chai.
What else? Now you.
Well done, no.
Now you big Chai, the baby said.
Thank you.
She came to the bar with a leather jacket. Looking very scrumptious and sexy.
I'll go do now.
Chai.
Yeah, but, I want to ask Yvonne a question. You know, they say when a lady they wear leather jacket, so there's something she has behind her mind. Is there anything behind this leather jacket?
No. As you
rub her now, they hear some sound.
No, nothing though. As you come your show now, I just say, okay, Victor, what I go wear now?
So you chose a leather jacket.
Okay, black. And it happens to be leather.
You decided on your own to carry sexiness, come and kill us.
No, she knows I like black first. Yeah, she come knows I like leather.
Stop selling your market.
Yeah, you discuss.
She come knows I like leather.
Stop selling your market.
Ogo, I'm seeing something. I'm just hearing voices in my head.
That word.
Just hearing bells.
That's English.
Is it wedding bell?
You are hearing nursery school bell. Baby, welcome to our bar, beg. You go to, out of your busy schedule, you still, you fall
she had a movie she just finished.
Yeah.
So
Three's company. True.
So that means we be the 3 videos now.
We are the company.
We need to take one nice picture for Instagram and just tag them.
Bless you. 3 is company. Hey, Shakara, you have missed this.
Before,
if you were here.
Shakara was the MC. Now he MC my show.
I know. He tell me. If Shakara was here now, it would have been 4, would have been a crowd.
You know.
So we are happy that just 3 of us.
Yeah, I beg, Evie.
Yes.
We say, may you come this bar today, come follow us talk, because every time we do here, we always talk some kind, some issues where they concern babes and bubbles them. So, as you be woman, we just say, we'll talk this matter today, say, and people for house, make una they listen, I beg. Today, we just want to talk this very thing, say, you go fit, open joint account with your partner. Be it your boyfriend,
I don't
your
even say she will say no. I know that she will say no. Man, wait here.
I fit. Yes, wow. I can.
Miracle.
Of course, I go for. I'm not go fit open account with them. But as long as I have my own personal account that's separate.
Why? Okay, so you get your own personal one. Okay,
yes,
we understand.
We fit get our savings.
You and the guy.
Yes, it's possible. Why
okay,
not?
but because my own worry, what I always get most time is say, we open the accounts down. The percentage income. How much you gonna bring inside that account?
No, but waiting I get.
No,
but seriously.
Someone like you now, we know you are a big girls. You cannot compare. If you go and marry someone like, I'll use you as an example.
For Akbar, why would you come? Wait.
I'm never finished talking.
You are telling me now that I cannot marry somebody like her. What do you mean? I am importer, exporter, pure water altogether. People like me are the ones that can take care of women like these. So you need a black leather jacket. Oh, you need expensive shoe. One of her shoes is like $500. I can pay.
No, they move her. She like people where they very humble. So calm down first.
Come and get out.
So man, use you. You understand?
Don't use men.
So if you meet a guy now like Ugo, now we know to get money, you understand?
Hey,
then you
Jesus.
now a very big girls. Who's supposed to bring the highest percentage?
If not that one, we're going to bring the same thing now. We're going to bring equal.
Ugo, Matthews, this is not a very good wife. Are you going to tell me?
Equal,
Hold on a second. At the end 50K, you the end 500K. We can't bring the same.
No, in that case, it's they're not the
by the percentage.
Not the weight of what I get and the weight of what you get,
Good.
obviously.
So you can put like 200.
I know if people insist. I think put 200 as long as I go put 200 for my own personal accounts.
Okay.
No.
Understand?
We don't want to know about your personal account.
No, that's the only reason. I tell you, that's the only reason we go make me do that kind of thing.
Okay, I'll make it more just put on like this because I don't see so many situations, scenarios and situations where we say people get joint accounts and at the end of the day, it's either the babe, the child won't control the spending, or the guy, the child won't control the spending. Then both of them know they always reach out.
And which most times are the babes, they always control the spending.
Because if woman control the spending, you have better.
Okay.
Of course.
Not all women. I don't know.
Now you know where you carry your head.
If someone like Yvonne now, we will know say you always shoot movie. Tomorrow now you can't carry my joy's money account. You know say you go to this movie business.
No, but if you carry the money, go shoot the movie.
You know
there's every
that
possibility say money will come back.
This piracy.
Thank you.
Piracy.
Business.
We'll go to Matthews. Piracy day. There's piracy. You go carry your money and go do movie now. They can't go pirate the movie. You should not make the money out. There's problem in relationship.
No, why would there be a problem? You should be able to understand that
now,
in business there's risk.
Now, if you tomorrow wake up say you want a company where you want
that is why you don't have to follow boys.
We go dust time, we go move on.
You don't have to follow Calabar boys. Follow Igbo boys that know what is happening. We know risk of business. You don't understand, man.
You know why? You know.
In fact, if I give you 500,000 or 1 million now, that put out to your movie money. And you take it to shoot movie, and movie do not bring money. I will tell you, you know, I love you, mom. Rub my hand and let the 1 million go. Come on.
Never connection. This man, now lie. There's Ogo. You are not the kind of man where I know, say, if Yvonne marry you now and you dare try to say you won't touch, or she won't touch that money, you know, agree.
Why?
As a strong Igbo man, I know it clearly. Igbo men are.
Why?
Igbo men know they carry, though they, first and foremost, Igbo man don't go open accounts with his wife.
Lie? No.
Why is Shaka no dey here?
No.
We talk this thing before.
No.
And you talk say you no go open accounts. You no go open account with your wife.
We never talk this kind of
thing before. You try make you feel very good. You no go open.
No, but really, see, let's face facts. See, this is how it is. If you meet woman, we be say, two of una they incline, una mindset, they the same level. Una don't sit down, una don't talk, una don't look and say, okay, see how we go do this thing, see how we go do this thing. Don't be big Jimmy, you open joint account. Like she talk am. Get your own personal account one side.
There's no big
everybody will definitely get personal account. But my fear most times now we say these joint accounts now, is it because say you now want to make a relationship they secured? Or is because
has nothing now? No,
because most women they don't like business now.
Now, if let's put it like this,
now business now.
If now you know say when you enter inside relationship with person, after like 2-3 months, you go get idea how this relationship go be, waiting the relationship go produce. So now, if una can't talk reach that level, say okay, like I don't see people will be say when they agree to marry, they can say okay, maybe we'll get one joint account. They drop some kind of thing so we get for there, so that if we reach time to do our wedding, from there we fit get money, do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It happen like that, but when it comes to marriage,
this is the first time
some marriages
they sound like say you very knowledgeable. How you talk like this?
Young man,
who are you trying to impress? Because I know say you know they
listen. Forget all this my harassment.
You are a sex expert.
I went to school.
You are not a love doctor like I am or Shakara who is.
Evie.
You are a sex doctor.
Evie.
Your specialty should be about sex.
So I should know about only cranking. You don't and know, not about
you cannot know anything about pre-marriage, how to save money and the rest. What do you know about that? Let people like us now educate her and tell her many reasons why she should not, but we will not because I know you won't go on break now. They're very sure. When you come back,
go for street. When we come back, Yvonne Jegede still in the building. Don't go nowhere. Why is that?
Sexy. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.